Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be trying out some new products from WETnWILD. Some of it is just limited edition, like the Valentine's limited edition products, and other ones are new that I've never seen. The Incognito, I have a couple of new things I've never seen, like the Cloud Pouts, a new concealer, a new mascara. So I'm excited to try out these products for you. I found all of these at Five Below, so that's even more exciting to see that Five Below has products that I've never seen somewhere else. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're new, hi, welcome, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're notified of all my future videos. I upload every single Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and bear with me on the camera. I just got a new camera and I haven't fixed any of the settings, so that will be fixed by next video. If it's like darker or brighter or anything like that, just hang tight. But I hope you enjoyed the video, and let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to get into is this WETnWILD Brow Sessive Brow Shaping Gel. See what happens here. Ooh, this is nice. Wow, I think I did way too much right there. But it's okay, we're going to deal with it. Now my brows are done. Sweet. Okay, let's do the eyes because I am dying to get into these palettes. So there's 4 palettes and I just have never tried these. These are the WETnWILD color icons, but there are 2, 4, 6, 8. There's 10 eyeshadows in each of these palettes. So I have, this one is Nude Awakening. I have Heart and Soul, which is perfect for the Valentine's season. We have Call Me Sunshine with like golds and stuff like that. And then we have Lights Off, which is a smoky palette. You can kind of see that. Okay, so I think I'm gonna get into Nude Awakening because it's a pretty good looking palette. And I'm gonna start with this shade and then this shade. I'm gonna kind of get into that. So we're gonna see how this palette works. Super dusty shades. Let's get into like a darker shade. So I'm gonna get into this shade right here. We're gonna see what's going on with this palette. Yeah, this palette's not very pigmented. Like it is, but it isn't. Like it's good for someone that's a beginner and is like heavy-handed, like, but I'm not. I usually like dip in very lightly because I'm used to the shades being more pigmented. But I mean, they're showing up, so it's not like it's bad. It's just different than what I'm used to. And they're blending out very nicely. That darker brown, kind of add that into this outer part. I mean, the colors are pigmented. It's just, I can't even explain it. It's like they don't all come off the brush quickly. Let's try this one first, and I'll probably go through all of these and see what the deal is with these. Oh, that's nice. This all over the lid would be like a super simple, beautiful Valentine's look. It's way better when the brush is wet. Okay, I'm gonna go into this shade now. That they're nice. Okay, so that's a pretty nice look, right? So I'm gonna get into this deeper shade over here. Just tap that in there. Okay, let's get into the black and let's use that to get really close to the lashes. All right, this palette's nice. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. They all work and they all work nice. This is not a ColourPop eyeshadow. It's not, I mean, this was how much, like $3.99 or something like that for 10 shadows. That's great. So I got this Wet n Wild Big Papa mascara. I haven't heard of it before. I haven't seen it. It may be new. It may not be new. I don't know, but we're gonna try it. And I might still put on lashes over top of that because my own lashes are not very long. Okay, so let's try this. Not my favorite. Not my favorite. Definitely putting on lashes. I don't like it. I do not like it. Let me curl my lashes. Yeah, I don't like it. It just clumped all my lashes together and did not lengthen and made them ugly clumped. Like, it's like they're just clumped at the base and then they look super thin at the top. Oh, I don't like them. Okay, we're putting on some actual falsies. So I'm gonna put the lashes on, I'm gonna do my foundation, and then we'll be back because I have a new concealer from Wet n Wild. Actually, Wet n Wild has a new limited edition sponge. So I just put on the Wet n Wild stick foundation, the Photo Focus stick foundation, and we're gonna use a sponge and see how that works with it. I love the stick foundation. And this sponge texture reminds me of the Rare Beauty sponge. It's like that same porous texture. Not bad for how cheap it was. Not bad at all. So I have a concealer. This is the Mega Last Incognito concealer. So I'm excited to try this out. I have the shade Light Honey. So it's supposed to, it says all day full coverage concealer. Let's put that on. Ooh, it's thin. Thinner than I expected. Fragrance to it. It smells a little fruity. It's weird. Yeah, it's like a fruity scent. I don't think it's obnoxious, but it's just weird for a concealer to have any sort of scent. Oh, it does look nice. I would say it's full coverage. That looks nice. I'm using a new camera and I haven't fixed my settings yet, so if I look darker, I am sorry. I haven't fixed my settings yet. That will be fixed by next video. Ooh, I'm excited. I think that concealer is probably one of my favorite things that I've tried so far. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in under the eyes really quickly and finish using this palette. So I got two of the blushes, of their blushes in the limited edition packaging for Valentine's Day. I have Mellow Wine and Pinched Pink. Maybe I'll try a little bit of both. I think I'm just gonna do Mellow Wine because it's so hard to get that packaging off. It makes me not want to go into the other one. All right, here we go. And it was a good choice because this is a gorgeous color. You know what? Their blushes are good, don't get me wrong. I haven't used Wet n Wild in so long that I just like had this thought in my mind that they're still like amazing and awesome. Look at how much I put on. I went, a little crazy. So I'm gonna have to go in with the powder brush. But there's so many better formulas now that they have to like revamp their formulas, in my opinion, because it's a little powdery. Like, it's not what I remember it to be. Like, I remember it to be like creamy and like so nice, but now they have like so nice formulas out that this is powdery to me. So I'm gonna spray my face. And I'm gonna use the Master Chrome. Oh, see, this is something that I've never used and I expected to suck, but it's so beautiful. Oh, I'm wearing way too much blush, but it looks good. The last thing that is new are lips that I saw there. There are these Cloud Pout Marshmallow Lip Mousses, and then they have a limited edition of the High Shine Lip Shines, which I still haven't even tried this line yet, but I got the shade Rose and Slay, which is probably gonna match what I'm wearing, but I'm very, very curious about these Cloud Pout Marshmallow Lip Mousses. So I got 5 of them. I got all of these. I'm gonna try this one, which is Cloud Chaser, and we're gonna see how that goes. So I'm gonna first put on a lip liner. Okay, I look crazy, but let's try it. Ooh. Ooh. You definitely need to exfoliate your lips before you put this on. It does feel like soft, like marshmallow. Like, it feels like a cloud. Like, it's creamy, but like doesn't feel like it's there. Ooh, I like it. Uh-oh, I really like it. Do you guys want to see me do a full swatch video on all of these shades? Let me know down below in the comments, and then I'll do that. I'll do the lip swatch video. This is nice. I like it. It's soft. Oh, feels like I'm not wearing anything. Went on smooth. Let's see if it dries down. Ooh, I like this. That's probably that, and the concealer is probably my favorite things that I've tried from Wet n Wild today. I hope you enjoyed this video of me trying out these new Wet n Wild products. I think my favorite things that I tried out was the Cloud Pout and the Incognito Concealer. These two are probably my favorite that I tried out. The sponge is good too, but I'm excited to see how it works with a liquid formula. It worked great with the stick foundation, but we'll see how it works with the other products. I'll probably share like mini reviews on my Instagram with you guys and tell you what I think about them after I've tried them for a while. But I'm not gonna lie, don't get this, guys. This mascara is awful. I didn't like it at all. I'm not a big fan of these blushes either. When you can go get an e.l.f. Putty blush, you don't need these Wet n Wild blushes. These were so dry, like it just looked powdery on my skin. I did apply a lot, but I mean, like, it didn't, I didn't like them. I mean, I haven't wore these in a long time, and I wasn't a big fan. I did like this palette, but I feel like it is very, very, very affordable, so it's a great affordable alternative. But ColourPop shadows are just so good that my expectation is so high. This is good for a beginner though, because I feel like you can be heavy-handed and you won't get like a crazy amount on your eye. You kind of, it will allow you to build, which is good. And they didn't have any fallout on my cheeks, so it's not bad. My expectation of Wet n Wild from what I remember was like up here, so I don't know, I hadn't tried Wet n Wild in so long, and I've just tried so many eyeshadows. There's so many eyeshadows out there. But nevertheless, I am still excited to try these other palettes, especially this pink one. I'm definitely going to be showing you guys this for 14 Days of Valentine's, so I will be revisiting these palettes. But the other palette was pretty good. I mean, I got this very, very cute look. We'll just have to see if it lasts all day. But I hope you enjoyed the video. I love you guys. Make sure to comment below and tell me if you want me to get all of the Cloud Pout lippies and do a swatch video for you guys. Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and come say hi. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.